Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Naveed Ahmed. Today in this video I will show you how you can create a beauty product website like this in WordPress within 5 minutes. In this website we will have a beautiful home page like this. We will also have a shop page with a filter option so user can find their products easily. We will also have a about us page and will also create a contact us page like this. So, if you want to launch your own online makeup or skincare store, even with zero coding experience, you are in the right place. Let's start creating your WordPress website. Now, to start the website, go to your WordPress dashboard and click here on Appearance and then click here on Themes. You can see that we have this active theme, and if we go to our website, it's look like this. Go to your WordPress dashboard again and click here on Add Theme button. After that, you can see that we have Astra theme over here. If you do not find this, you can search the Astra theme from this option. After searching your Astra theme, click here on Install button. After that, click here on Activate. As you can see that our Astra theme have been activated. Now click here on Start Building Now and click here on Exit Guided Setup. After that, click here on Starter Template and click here on Build with Template. After that, click here on Elementor. Now from here, we will choose our template. As you can see that there are lot of template. Some templates are free and some templates are premium. Now go to the search box and search for skin cleanser. As you can see that this is our required template. Click here. It will take some time to load the page. It have loaded the demo content. Now click here on continue. As you can see that it will install automatically contact form, SEO related plugin and WooCommerce also. So now click here on continue. Write down your name and select your experience level and select whether you are making the website for yourself or for your client. And now click here and submit your website. It will take some seconds to build your website with your template. So you can see that our website have been completed successfully. You can check it by clicking here on view your website. Now we have the same text, same images, everything is similar as we have in our demo. We also have a shop page, about page and contact us page. We can click here on shop page. You can see that our shop page is working properly. You can click on any item. This is single product view page. Everything is properly and fully functional. So you can create a beauty product website like this with WordPress within 5 minutes. If you want more WordPress related videos, kindly subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.